Okay, so this is number 1. What we have here is an equation in vertex form, and we want to get it into standard form. So the steps that we're going to take are FOIL, distribute, and then add like terms or combine like terms. Okay, so when we write this down, for now, we're going to ignore this -4 multiplied and this +3 added on to the end. What we need to do is rewrite x minus 2 squared as x minus 2 times x minus 2. So we're just writing that out in expanded form. Now the next step is going to be to FOIL. When we FOIL, we end up x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. And then let's go ahead and finish our foiling by combining the like terms inside those parentheses. We've got x squared. When we combine these, -2x minus 2x, we get -4x plus 4. Okay, so we've just completed the FOIL step. That was us foiling the x minus 2 squared. The next step is distribute. What we've got to do is distribute the -4 to each of the terms inside the parentheses. Okay, notice that we're not going to distribute it to that +3 because it's sitting outside the parentheses. We're only going to distribute to the ones inside the parentheses. So then we multiply. -4 times x squared gives us -4x squared. -4 times -4x gives us positive 16x. -4 times +4 gives us -16. And then of course we have this +3 on the end. So now we're done with the distribute, and we're going to do the final step, combine like terms. Well, the only like terms here that we can combine are the -16 and the +3. So our final answer is going to be -4x squared plus 16x minus 13. Okay. If you need more help with the FOIL step, let's take a detailed look at how we FOIL. So once we're at this point, all we want to look at is just FOILing x minus 2 times x minus 2. Remember, you can call this FOIL or you can call this the distribution property. What we're doing is multiplying. So we multiply our first term times our other first term. When we multiply x times x, that's going to give us x squared. When we multiply x times the second term, that's x times -2. That gives us -2x. Now we take the second term, multiply it times x, so that's -2 times x, -2x. And then we do our -2 times -2, that gives us our +2. Then the last step to FOILing is actually to combine like terms. So that's what we did in that other step. Right here, from here to here, we just combine the like terms. So you recognize that this is the answer we got when we FOILed, and here it is, over here. If you have any questions about how to FOIL, please make sure that you ask Miss Lewis.